Dumpster rental service in Langhorne, Pennsylvania. Wicked Waste Incorporated is your go-to provider for reliable dumpster rental services in Langhorne, Pennsylvania. Whether you're a contractor managing a large construction project, a business owner overseeing a renovation, or a property manager needing a cleanup solution, Wicked Waste Incorporated offers flexible and efficient waste management. Their range of dumpster sizes accommodates projects of all types, ensuring you have the right solution for your needs. Wicked Waste Incorporated stands out because of its dedication to customer satisfaction. With prompt delivery and timely pickups, it ensures your business stays on track without unnecessary delays. Its transparent pricing means no hidden fees, allowing you to manage your budget confidently, whether tackling a one-time project or needing ongoing waste management services. Wicked Waste Incorporated provides a hassle-free experience from start to finish. Wicked Waste Incorporated goes beyond just delivering dumpsters, they provide peace of mind. Their commitment to efficiency, reliability, and customer satisfaction ensures your business never faces unnecessary delays due to waste management issues. If you're ready to streamline your project and partner with a team that understands your business needs, look no further. Contact Wicked Waste Incorporated today at 267-899-2100 and discover how they can keep your operations running smoothly.